Today's topic is aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is the practice of using essential oils made from plants for therapeutic benefits. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new, hi, welcome to Beauty Farm. I'm Jujani and today's topic is aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is the practice of using essential oils made from plants for therapeutic benefits. And essential oils can help you relax your body and mind, help you improve sleep, and make you feel energized. So today I'm going to share ways you can use essential oils in your daily routine. Okay, so subscribe to our channel and let's go talk about some essential oils. Number one, diffuser and room spray. If you have a diffuser at home, you can add a few drops of essential oils into the water and let the diffuser do its part. It's going to help your room smell amazing and refreshing. Another option is to make a room spray, and this is how you make it. First, fill in the bottle halfway with witch hazel and fill the rest with distilled water. And add 25 to 30 drops of essential oil to the spray bottle. Number two, house cleaning. You can add a few drops of essential oil in the mop water if you mop, or in cleaning wipes and cleaning cloths to wipe your desk or your shelves or furniture around the house. We also recommend you to use them while you clean your kitchen to get rid of that food smell that's lingering around your house. No more weird smells around your house. Number three, baths and massages. Next time you decide to take a bath, try adding some essential oils into the water and let aroma do its part. It's going to help you feel relaxed and help you refresh your mind. Also, you can add essential oils to the lotion when you want to massage. So try that out next time. Number four, skincare. Some essential oils have skin benefits. Tea tree oil is one of the most well-known oils for skincare, especially for acne skin. We have recipes on our channel that use essential oils, and if you're curious which one we use, check them out over here. Number five, masks. You can add a drop of essential oil on the mask on the edges right here to get rid of certain smell and help you breathe better. Some masks, even new masks, have a certain smell, and if you find it very disturbing and uncomfortable, try using essential oil on the mask. Alright, let us know in the comments if you're big on aromatherapy and if you have a huge collection of your essential oils. And tell us your favorite scents and what do you like to use them for. That's it for me today. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!